In today's video, we're going to be adding a touch switch to the Western lamp. Okay, so here's a look at how this is the first lamp, by the way, not the second one. Here's a look at how I wired it, because I was running a little short on wire. Well, actually, that wasn't the problem. I thought I had a touch switch that was working, so I was going to install it, but it turned out that that one was not. So I left these all disconnected and just did it with wire nuts to where I could easily install another touch switch. So we're gonna go ahead and take this hot glue off, and then we're gonna work on installing that touch switch. Okay, so with a little persuasion, I was able to get the hot glue off this. That's some tough stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and undo my wire nuts. Disconnect it there. There we go. We got a storm going outside, so it's raining, so we may lose power. Alright, there we go. Okay, we'll open up this and see what we got inside. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so just to show you how it gets wired up, this is the line that goes up to the light, right here. This is the line that goes to the plug. Okay, and then on here we should have two black wires, one red, one blue, one yellow. But sometimes the colors vary, but this is the basic principle for all of them. Your yellow one is going to be your touch wire. The blue and the red are positive, and the two blacks are negative. So the blue and the negative, it doesn't matter which negative, they're both the same, doesn't matter. Is going to go, the blue and the negative is going to go up to the light. The wire is to the light. Blue is positive, black is negative, so that will attach to the wire going up to the light. Then the leftover one should be a red and black, and that just goes red to positive and black to negative, and that goes to the line leading off to the plug. This one down here leading off to the plug. And then the leftover one will be your touch lamp. Okay, so I've started soldering my wires. I'm now on my next negative here. Okay, so there we go. Everything should be wired up and done. So I'm gonna wrap each of these in electrical tape and tight, both to where they don't touch anything, and then we'll give her a test out. Okay, so I wrapped them all in electrical tape, and we should be ready to go. So what I didn't take account for is that I don't know if this will get in the way of the base when it's up in here. I hope not. But hey, we'll figure that out soon enough. And then we'll get to mounting this where we need to put it. Okay, so I just put it inside the electrical tape here, but you can see there's the wire. If I touch it, the light turns on and off. Let me show the light part of it. If I touch this here, light off, light on, off, on. There we go, so it is working good. Yeah, that's great. Alright, so the question is now is where we're gonna put it. So do I want to attach it to these, to the base, to a bolt? I might attach it to a bolt. just because that's where I did it last time, and I know that that works. So if I do it that way, then on the bottom of here, we have both of these bolts. One here, one on the other side. And if I attach it to there, all I gotta do is just attach it, maybe hot glue it in place. And then I know it works, because I've done it that way before. So that's not probably what I'm gonna end up doing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first off glue this to here and get our wires lined up there like that, and then we'll bring this over here and touch it to there. And then, yeah, anyway, so let's get going. Okay, so I'm gonna attach, I'm gonna glue some of this stuff on here. Just put it in a dab right there in the middle, spray some activator. Glue it to right there. Right in the middle I want to where I won't have to worry about it hitting the bottom, which it may still even there, but I think I'm clear there. So once that dries, then we'll take care of the wires. Okay, so the bolt turned out better than I thought. I thought it would only touch the bolt, but it turned out actually great, because that bolt was really tight on the base, so that means that it connected to everything. So watch this. The light turns on when I just touch the base. That's brilliant. So I just touch the base. I can touch this thing here, right? Where was it? Oh, I'm touching two spots. Right here. The pole. Anywhere on the pole. This little metal thing. Because it's all connected now. So wherever I touch, that light turns on. It's awesome. Okay, so you ready? All I gotta do is touch the base. Anywhere. Up here. Right here. Literally anywhere I want. So that light turns on and off. And what I like most about these is that, because like if you're in the room with somebody and they're asleep or something, you can just barely touch it and it turns off the light. No noise at all. You don't have this. It's just on, off. The lamp I made for Mom and Daddy, they had this and they really liked it, and so they're gonna love to have this one here that you just touch the metal base anywhere, because on the other one it was just a little bolt. This one you just touch anywhere on the base. Over here, so all you gotta do is no accuracy, just reach over and barely touch it, and it turns it on and off. So it's awesome. I hope y'all enjoyed this project. So this is a quick upgrade to the Western lamp, and if y'all like the video, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.